Hello, are you still using the Databricks Community Edition and sign up with your credit card? You logged in with official company email ID just to access the 14 days Databricks free trial? If so, it's time to switch to the free edition that we get from the Databricks at no cost and no credit card required to sign up for free edition. Welcome back to VJ Tech Talks. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sign up for free without using a commercial or company email ID. You can register using your Gmail, Microsoft email, in fact, post even your company email and still get access to Databricks free edition. Let's get started. Just log into databricks.com and just /free. Enter. Here we have a free edition. Just click on the sign up for free edition. I'm logging with I clicked on my Google account here. Then continue. After continue, just name your workspace. It's a free edition. So my location is, that's all guys. Just click on continue. Here we go. Start puzzle. This will take a while to set up your account. Here we go. So see, I didn't even enter any credit card. I didn't even use my official email ID. Just I used my Gmail ID to log into Databricks free edition. Free trial, community edition and free edition. There are few differences between the free trial and free edition. I can show you that the differences between how the free trial sort of features we will get under the free trial, 14 days free trial, what sort of features we are getting under the unlimited time free edition. I'll show you here. We don't have an option to provision our customized compute power. And what we can do is, here we will get the by default compute power. The small clusters, you will have a serverless compute power where you can utilize for your learning and for your POCs. This is non-commercial product. This is not recommended to use for your commercial and production loads. This is only for you can play around the options. You will have all the options here with a free of cost, no cost involved here. Even in fact, you have all the AI models also for free. In fact, you have a AI playground, and here you have a prompts. You can give your prompts. You can play around these areas also. You can have experiments. You can do all this. You have a SQL editor, and also you have a Genie. This is for the dashboards. You have plenty more options. You have plenty more options here. There are a couple of limitations here. I can show you those limitations, as well as I will leave that link in the video description. You can go through it. You can try to understand. It's still spinning up. It takes a couple of minutes to spin up the compute power. And meantime, we'll just try to compare the free trial and free edition. See, there are a couple of things here. The free trial, you will have a full access to the Databricks, and which means you can able to provision your own cluster also with a limited resources, and you can play around it. But here you don't have that privilege to where you can provision your cluster here, right? There are a couple more, right? You have some limited credits to play around within the 14 days, but here the forever free with it. There are some limitations on daily limits, and once the limit is over, like what happens, it will pause your access, and once it is reset for the next day, this will allow you to play around with the free edition. That's what it is, right? As I said that it's unlimited, the free edition, there is no limit for it, but there are limitations on daily limits. Once you reach that quota, then it will freeze your access. That's what it means. Okay, I hope this is useful. You can write your Python code. You can see here we go. You have a serverless compute power. You can write your Python code and SQL. You can create your see, I can create one notebook also here. Say Python is possible and SQL is possible, but if you're trying to play with these two, the Scala and all, I think it is not possible. You can play around it, but here these two are possible, the Python code and all. If you want, you can try with this. Let me try to print. Tech Talks. See, I'm able to print it, which means it's working for me. You can also write your Python code. You can write your SQL codes. You can play around this one with a no cost and unlimited. Okay, you no need to provide any credit card, no need to give anything. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. If you find this information is useful, please share this information with your friends and colleagues. It's really helpful for learners who are all trying to find a an environment where they can play around it with the data engineering or data science or AI related models also with a free of cost. This is the place where you can play around it. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumb and support me. I see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.